Powder metallurgy is a technology that encompasses mass-producing metal powder and fabricating net-shaped parts or near-net-shaped parts using the metal powder. Part fabrication involves shaping and consolidating the metal powder via part processing techniques. At its most basic, part processing techniques involve loading the metal powder into a mold cavity and compacting it. Compaction leads to cold welding of the powder particles and forms a compact, or the green part, which has limited mechanical strength. To improve the mechanical strength of the green part, it is subjected to heat treatment, which fuses the powder particles. This phenomenon of metal particles fusing together without melting to form the part is known as sintering. Powder metallurgy encompasses a multitude of part processing technologies, such as press and sinter, powder metal forging, isostatic pressing, metal injection molding, additive manufacturing, and hard metal production. The practice of manufacturing objects from powder has been prevalent for many centuries. Powder metallurgy served as a major forming process until melting furnaces were invented. Historically, ceramic ware has been produced using powdered raw material. Ancient structures such as the Iron Pillar in New Delhi, built in the 3rd century AD, were made of a non-molten metal processing technology akin to powder metallurgy. Powder metallurgy was revived in the latter part of the 19th century and was used extensively for the following applications: compaction and thermal treatment of platinum powders for producing coins in Russia, production of tungsten lamp filaments and porous metallic filters in the United States, and fabrication of hard metal parts in Germany. Europe pioneered the use of powder metal parts in automobiles. The Volkswagen Beetle was the first car to use sintered parts. Today, components manufactured from powder metals are widely used in a host of industrial applications, including machinery, automobiles, electrical and electronic systems, and personal products. Metal powders are used in other fields as well. In agriculture, powdered metals are used in the production of fungicides, seed coating, and fertilizers. Metal powders are routinely used in paints, coatings, lubricants, dental fillings, pyrotechnics, and ammunition. Powder metal technologies afford the economic advantages of producing net-shaped parts. Net-shaped processing allows manufacturers to produce parts with accurate dimensions and eliminates the need for secondary processes such as machining. Absence of downstream machining processes significantly reduces scrap and improves cost savings. The most unique feature of powder metallurgy is the ability to control the density profile of the parts produced. When compared to other conventional manufacturing methods such as casting, extrusion, forging, and machining, powder metallurgy has the highest material utilization rates, lower power consumption for every kilogram of part produced, and high scrap metal recycling rates. Therefore, powder metallurgy is considered a green technology. Powder metal technologies are adopted when conventional manufacturing methods are not feasible to produce the required parts from unique materials, such as hard metals, magnets, porous structures, and heat-resistant materials, such as refractory metals. Powder processing techniques such as additive manufacturing allows greater design freedom when compared to conventional shaping processes. Powder metallurgy aids in producing durable and high-density products at temperatures below the melting point. Heat treating below the melting temperatures prevents metallurgical distortion that may be seen in other forming processes that require heat treatment. Powder metallurgy is proving to be a promising technology that fulfills humanity's quest for novel and improved materials.